been listening to for the last 15 minutes. They hear my voice, puppy, puppy, puppies, and so they're quiet, but in just a little bit they'll go and settle down, hopefully, take a nap. But by the time you guys get them, you won't hear a peep out of them. Hope is like, what is going on here? This is their first day out of their welcome box. They have moved to their crate. Sounds like a path here. Okay, I'll turn it back the right way so you have your head normal here. Puppies! That's my babies! You guys are all noisy. Of course Noisy is down on the bottom left there, as you can see, howling. Of course that's little Derek. He's a howler. He'll be hoarse here in a little while. He won't make any sounds. The ones on the bottom right. When you hear that howling, Deanne, that's just for you. Just wait till the emergency vehicles go by. Boy, they'll start howling for sure. Notice at the bottom right there, that's Paige and Diesel in there. So they're chilled out. Nobody's complaining. The two loudest ones on the top right, that's Pearl, and the bottom left is Eric. Everybody else is passed out or just hanging out.